Last time I had made a video, I forgot to show you. You couldn't really see. So when you take the door panel off, it's gonna still be stuck with this. So what you gotta do is, if you can look in here, it's got like a little plastic piece. Just kind of take it off, pull it off with your nail. Like that, and it comes off. See, it's this little piece right here. But then I figured out my door wasn't really working, so even though I put it back in, you just snap it back in like that. But then you got to make sure that you put this little piece, you got to put it in here like that. Make sure it snaps into place, and then you'll be able to open your door, because that's what was happening. I wasn't able to open my door from the inside, but it's good now. Look at it.